Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this top combo on Dress to Impress. Simple, and you don't need VIP for this. So for the top we're going to use this in white, and then in this pattern, and then in white, then in white again. For the laces, wait, why can I not color the laces? Okay, there we go. And then we're going to grab this top here, this one in the top only, color it white, and then the same pattern, and then the same pattern again. And then for the buttons I'm just going to use brown. You can use any pattern that you would like, of course. Then for the sleeves we're going to the world cultures one, and we're going to grab these sleeves here in only sleeves in white, and then that pattern. And then for the skirt you can use anything you want, but I'm just going to pair it with this skirt in the same pattern and in white. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!